a license.
Too bad you couldn't get in there more and get a better angle at it.
That must be fun.
Look at him in the van.
What, them? No, Wayne and... You're getting some rides. Eli! Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Hey, that looks like the guy who was gonna tip over that guy over there. He went down that deep side. Look at this.
I'm watching, Eli.
He's not gonna make it.
Yeah, he is. He already went the other way, Eli. Yeah, he already did once. This is a lot steeper right here, though.
Oh, did I make it? Oh, Eli, you made it! Yeah, I saw. Hey, we can drive it to L.